Okay. Here's another Tractor Supply multimeter. I think I got this for $4. I did another one that was a little bigger. But, you know, it's all the same junk. It's got the rubber thing on it. But I like these because they have the NPN PMP. You can test transistors. And, you know, people with tractors and farmers probably don't know what a transistor is. Oh, no, he didn't. Oh, no, he did. Oh, no, he did. All right, whatever. So I like that these you can check the transistors. It's kind of old school. Because what are you gonna do? They got all the pins. What are you gonna desolder it and shove it in there? You know what I mean. All right. So this is the 2294 286 son. Yeah. I'm wondering how accurate the resistance is on these. Normally I use the Harbor Freight one. What the frick is going on? Oh, there's not a hole there? Oh, wow. Okay. I'm sitting there trying to put the thing in, you know, the thing in. I'm trying to put the thing in, you know? That's what you said to her. I don't get it. Never cut towards yourself. Okay. The Harbor Freight ones really suck. I mean, they work as a multimeter, but they suck. They're not accurate. Let's see how good they are. They're good enough, but they're not accurate. They're not accurate. The last Tractor Supply one of these that I tested, the bigger ones, and I bought like 3 of them. These things, I think, were broken, 2 of them. The wire was desoldered from the tip, so it was like working, not working. I had to rip it apart and fix it. Like the wire right in here was coming off. Alright, so you gotta put the battery in. Oh, it's got a stand. Okay, so this is like a rubber thing. There you go. That's why that. Oh my god, I'm gonna freaking rip my dirty. Triggered. Rip my nail getting this thing out. It's so slippery. You already damn scratched it. Oh my god. What am I gonna do? Alright, so you do have to unscrew it. To get to the battery. Alright, so it's got the clips up there. I already broke one. Cool. Gotta love those clips. Instead of a screw. Gotta love them. We got ourselves a fuse. Cool. Oh yeah, one of the other bigger ones, I think the pin, one of these was desoldered. Was cold soldered. Let's check these, make sure they're good. Not this, these pin connectors. They're not connected good to the board. So anyway, did that screw just fall out? That's on this side, isn't it? Isn't it? It's on this side, isn't it? Isn't it? Hey, speaking of British accents, I met Russell Brand at Disney World during Halloween. Actually, on Halloween. It's pretty cool. Russell Brand is a pretty cool dude. Unlike what the media makes him out to be. Very cool. He's pushing a stroller. There were his 2 kids. His wife, I guess. Didn't have to stop to say hi. But he did. According to the media, he wanted to attack me, and you know, and tried to sell me drugs or something. Whatever the hell the media said bad about Russell Brand. Dude, just a normal guy. Enjoying himself at Disney, pushing a stroller. Okay. Which side? Let's make sure it turns on. Keel. A protective case. Okay, we're going to go negative. And then our low voltage positive, or low amperage. And let's see if our ohms, let's see if our continuity is going to go to ding ding. I didn't even know it had sound. There it is. It's got sound. What does this one do? Oh, that's the hold button. Okay. Cool. It's got a hold button. All right. Let's see. Oh, the light slowly dims. Cool. Let's see if this will go to 0. No, that's a fail. Dead short. Oh. Okay. What is... One of these is wiggling. Yeah, let's just stay at dead short. See, the Harbor Freight thing will sit around somewhere around 10 ohms. That's not bad. 0.3 on a dead short. Although it is jumping around. I don't know if that's a loose wire. Just the metal. Yeah. Alright. Well, it's better than Harbor Freight. Obviously. Alright, let's check voltage. That shows a negative 4.2. Alright. Let's see what we got here. 1.2. 1.25. So not bad. Not a bad. I'll update friggin' minutes. Alright, we're gonna cut some shit out of here. Can you measure current across? This would be a dead short, won't it? I'm scared to connect this one up. Oop, yeah. I don't know if you saw that. That thing looks like it jumped over. These things heated up like 13 amps. Really? Alright, so it works. Pretty cool. For $4, it definitely beats the Harbor Freight junk.